Our huge crystal slime collection drops today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We've spent 2 weeks making and designing a ton of crystal-inspired slimes, and I am so obsessed with them. We have rose quartz slime, selenite slime, carnelian slime, amethyst slime, and so many more. Each slime will come with a real crystal that matches the slime that you bought as well. You can take 15% off your order today with code CRYSTAL15, and the first 10 buyers will also receive a free rose quartz chunk in their order. Set your alarms for 3 p.m. Eastern or noon Pacific because you do not want to miss this week's restock.
Let me show you how I make my coated clear slime. I add about a cup of clear glue, a few pumps of foam soap. I mix that all up and then I activate. For my activator, I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. I add that a little bit at a time until the slime is crunchy like this. I let it sit for about a week, and that's how I make my coated clear slime.
부정적인 시선에 맞서 우리는 했고 나쁜 기억도 많은 시련도 다 호기롭게 우리 막아냈지 bulletproof
네 생각에 아직 꿈속인 건 아닐까 길었던 겨울 끝에 온 게 진짜 봄일까 모두 비웃던 한때 부끄럽던 여름 이건 새로 된 조명 bulletproof